Assalamu alaikum everybody. I hope you are fine by the grace of Allah. I'm also fine today. So guys, right now I'm sitting under the tree, and I think this is the afternoon time in my area at this time, and my mother told me at this time. Actually, I was sleeping in the afternoon time right now, and my mother told me you can go to your father's house because your father will go to market. Your father will go to market for buying something. That's why right now, after waking up from the sleep, right now I'm resting for a while, and after resting for a while, now I will go to my father's shop. I have a father shop, and this is located Raghunathpur Notun Bazar. And when I get free times, sometimes I go to my father's shop, and I sell something because my father has a hardware shop, and you know what is hardware shop? Hardware shop is there are so many parts of car, and van parts of cars or auto parts of cars. There are so many parts of cars are available in my father's shop, and sometimes I go there when I get free times, and after going there, I sell something, and there are so many customers come in my father's shop, and when I get free times, I go to my father's shop and I spend my free time, and I feel I enjoy to sell to my father's shop product, right? So that's why right now I will go to my father's shop and I will sell something to my father's shop at this time, and I will show you all things in my father's shop. After going to my father's shop, I will show you all things. Right now I'm going to my father's shop at this time, and stay with me. I will see you. I will show you full things in my father's shop. Okay, take care and stay with me. Okay, go. Let's go. So my dear brother, right now I'm in my father's shop at this time. After 10 minutes walking, I have arrived here, and you are watching finally this is my father's shop, and this is just not use my father's shop. This is a small shop, and sometimes I come here. You are watching in the background. There are so many products, and in this area there are so many hardware products, and in this area there are so many electricity products here, and we can sell some product from here. And behind the camera there is a road, but I can't show you the road of this market right now. And behind the camera my father is working, and sometimes because my father is a mechanic, and he works here, and beside he sells product, different kind of product he sells from this market, from this shop. And when I get free time, sometimes I come here and I sell product. It can be just in afternoon. In afternoon time I come here, and sometimes I sell some product here. And you are watching, there are so many behind the background of this camera. There are so many hardware products, and one customers come here, and he's wanting different kind of products. Especially he's wanting the cables of electricity, and I have to give the cables of electricity right now, and that's why I have to close the video right now. I can't show you this shop properly. Okay, so my dear guys, I will see you with a new video with a new topic. Have a nice day. Bye bye.